I'm going to show you how to close your PayPal account. First, you want to open up your browser and head to paypal.com and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, you want to basically withdraw any funds that you might have in your PayPal balance, transfer them to your bank account or whatever. And then next, you want to click on the settings wheel on the top right here. And then you want to click on the account tab and scroll all the way down, and you should find close your account button here. Just click on it, close your account, and it will basically guide you through the closing process. First, it will ask you to transfer your funds, and then you can go through this process to confirm and close your account. You won't be able to close it if you have funds still, as it says here, and that's how you do it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.